G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be going back in time a little bit. We're going to be looking at a bit of an older one here from Hobby Master, Vietnam era Huey here. It is their very first release, so I managed to score this on eBay. So we are going to channel our inner apocalypse now. Whenever I see a Vietnam era Huey, I always think of that great movie. So if you younger people have never seen that movie, geez, do yourself a favour and chuck that on, because it is a great movie. Now, this particular model here is the UH-1B Huey from the US Army's 128th Assault Helicopter Company, the Gunslingers. Now, this helicopter is referred to as a heavy hog because of its weapons configuration, as you can see right there. The actual door guns were removed, and instead a pair of rectangular rocket pods, each containing 24 2.75-inch folding fin aerial rockets, which were mounted to either side of the fuselage, of course, as well as a 14mm M75 grenade launcher mounted on the nose. And this, unfortunately, would be shot down in May of 1969 and destroyed, but the crew would actually survive, so that is a good outcome for the crew, of course. Now, it does come in a bit of the older box, so it does have, you know, a bit of information on the back with some other releases, and it does open up like normal though. You can see that beautiful model sitting there. There is a little bit of damage on the corner there. It is an older model, as I said. And it does have the information in the flap, which is pretty cool. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll stop talking your ear off and we'll get this bloody open so we can check it out. Alright, here we have the model out of the box. I could have actually kept the cameras rolling because there is not much to it. All you could do is whip it out. And there is your model. There's nothing really holding it in. There's just a little bit of plastic here that keeps the front down. And so we'll just, should be able to just grab this out. And, oh geez, I don't like holding it there. And we, yes, have got this beautiful chopper here. Oh, yes, I love the smell of napalm in the morning. That line, one of the most iconic lines from Apocalypse Now.
Smell that? You smell that? Napalm, son! Nothing else in the world smells like that. I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
It does look fantastic. Let us zoom in and check out the model details. Now, they do make these really well, Hobby Master, just that they can be a little bit pricey for what you're actually getting, like size-wise, you know. They say size does count, but like when you look at something like a size of a normal aircraft and this, you're paying a similar price, so sometimes it can feel a little bit expensive. But I got this at a reasonable price on eBay, and it is the very first one, so I actually got it cheaper than a newer model, but hopefully it will be very, very good and undamaged. That's all we can hope for when you buy second-hand models, but the details do look pretty good. No, I actually thought that was bent, but I think that's the way it's supposed to sit to avoid any damage. So it does spin nicely. The tail rotor and the main rotor does spin pretty good as well. The tinted glass is always awesome in these. Check out that. That's freaking great. Now, there's a lot of bits sticking out, little antennas, and be careful of that grenade launcher. And you can see the rocket pods on the side. Obviously, well, the doors, I don't think, open on this. It's all sealed, so there's nothing else that opens. So you pretty much pull this out of the box, and that's it. That's awesome. You can run around the house all day with this and make your helicopter noises, and you will be pleased. That does look fantastic. It's got the beautiful details, the warning decals there as well. All the markings are really nice. The rotor assembly looks really nice too. It's got a lot of nice detail there. And yeah, if you like to spin them, you've got that option. So underneath, now I did notice there is no stand, and there is no stand hole. So these, well, didn't come with stands. So yeah, if you like to chuck them on a stand and have them in flight, your options are zero. Unless you make some sort of stand and prop it up by the skids or something like that. But man, this does look freaking awesome. Very, very iconic for the Vietnam War. These helicopters, that looks fantastic. Yeah. Well, that makes a pretty simple video. There's nothing really else to do. We'll see how it sits on the skids, though. We've got to make sure it sits there nicely. Sometimes, well, you think it might be tail heavy or something like that, but it sits on there beautifully without any drama whatsoever. And how much does a Huey like this weigh, I hear you ask? So we will bring our scales in and have a little look. Let us chuck it on the scales, coming for a landing, and we do... It hasn't even reached triple figures, so we will have 63 grams for this big chopper here. That's very light, but look, it's not the weight that counts, it is the details, and this has got a lot of great detail and is packed full of goodness, so you will be pretty happy if you do manage to grab it. Well, any of the Hobbymaster Hueys, they do present really nicely, and you will be happy for sure. All right, I'll wind up the video. I'll take some photos of this a little bit close up so you can see some of those details without these sausage fingers all over it. You can see it's not a huge model, of course. Don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, some of those my way would be awesome. Drop a comment below. Feel free to punch the crap out of that subscribe button if you're watching and yet to do that. It's always appreciated and, of course, helps the channel. And as per usual, I will wind up the video by thanking you guys, yes, you the viewers, for dropping past to check out another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this little Huey here today, because I certainly did, and I am glad I grabbed it. And with that, I will wind up the video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for dropping past. You all have an awesome sauce rest of your day. Happy hunting for your next model. Cheers, everyone.